All things red, all things Mazda, all things Rotary, all things diecast. What's up, you guys? Back there with another diecast showcase, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I have all three different generations of Mazda RX-7 164 scale diecast from Hot Wheels and couple of matchboxes. Today, we're gonna showcase every single color, every single car that came out in red with alternating blue. As you can see, starting out with this casting, which is designed by Jun Imai back in the, I don't know when, but you know, probably know what's up. This casting is called the SA22C or FB first generation Mazda RX-7. As you can see, this one's inspired by the classic racing series called the IMSA. And this one has the MC5 plastic wheels with gold accent in this beautiful solid red with yellow gold race livery. Okay, and then moving on to this casting in this beautiful blue with chromed out PR5 plastic wheels, gray interior, tinted windows, and black chassis. All right, moving on to this ruby red metallic with gold race livery, and also comes with this multi-spoke lace style BBS style plastic wheels with gold accent in this black chassis. Nice. All right, this thing is called the SA22C and FB, as I told you guys, but you can tell by the taillights and the straight chrome bumper, which is supposed to be chrome bumper. Unlike the FB, that one has the integrated bumper with integrated plastic bumper with wraparound taillights. These cars came out with a 1.3 liter 13B, and most of them are all 1.1 liter 12A naturally aspirated two-rotor rotary engine. Okay, stepping on to this beautiful metallic blue with this light blue race livery with MC5 plastic wheels. Nice. Gray interior. I think gray interior. Yeah, gray interior with tinted windows, black chassis. Okay, stepping into the second generation of Mazda RX-7, which is designed by Ryu Asada. It's called the Savannah GT, which is called the FC3S Mazda RX-7, called here in the United States. These came out with two different engine options called the 1.3 liter naturally aspirated two-rotor rotary engine called 13B. Unlike some of the models are called Turbo 2, which is the one with the top-mounted turbo intercooler. Nice. Called the FC3S. Some of these models are called 10AE, which is the 10th anniversary edition. And this one is in blue. This casting is designed by Ryu Asada. It's one of the coolest cars that designed for Hot Wheels. There you go. This car came in two series, if I'm not mistaken. Some are NA, some are turbocharged. And then also comes with a convertible version, which is this casting is designed by Charlie Angulo for Matchbox. This is a Matchbox RX-7. What do you call this thing? 1988 Mazda RX-7 convertible. This one has from the Moving Parts series. This one has the popping hood that you can see. I don't know if you can see the interior. I mean the 13B rotary engine. Nice casting. Beautiful. And this one is from the collector series. This one has slightly upgraded with rubber wheels, lace style plastic wheels with rubber tires. This one has chrome base, extra details in this beautiful blue paint, gray interior with tinted windshield. Okay, stepping into this one designed by Jun Imai. This is the Kmart exclusive in this beautiful red with J5 plastic wheels with chrome ring accent. Nice. Yeah. All right. This is the first edition that ever came out, and this is the alternate color, which is the Kmart exclusive. In this beautiful blue paint color with J-style J5 plastic wheels with chrome accent. Nice. Okay, the star of this show is this casting right here. From last year, 2025, Mazda RX-7, 1993 Mazda RX-7 R1. It's a FT3S with some refined styling with pop opening hood, which is I cannot open it right now with one hand. This one has a die-cast chassis with some exhaust system detailing to it with some, it says BRAP on the tail light. I mean the what do you call this? License plate. All right. It's a nice casting, to be honest with you. This is one of the coolest Hot Wheels, in my opinion, because I'm a big fan of these rotary models. And the newest one from Hot Wheels is this. It's in this beautiful steel blue Spectre Flame paint color with gold 10 spokes, real rider wheels, die-cast chassis with some exhaust system detailing to it. And this is the newest one for 2026 from Hot Wheels ROC. So there you go. All things red, all things blue, all things diecast, all things Hot Wheels and Matchbox. But once again, this is your host, Kuya Mega, just showcase all these awesome rotary powered diecast collection from Generation 1 all to Generation 3. For another episode of Delicious Live TV.